Hi guys, first of all I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers. I am Adia. Thank you very much for being part of my family. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting on my videos each time I upload on this channel. I love you so much. So guys, if you want to get a shout out from me each time I upload on this channel, make sure you like my videos, subscribe, and also comment in my comment section. I'll be picking one of your names from there and giving a shout out. Another thing I want to do in this channel, guys, is I want to celebrate every level 500 1000 based on the subscribers count. So when we get 500 subscribers, I'll be doing a cash giveaway of 500 naira. That's for those people in Nigeria. And when we get to 1000 subscribers, we'll do 1000. We'll continue like that till we'll get 100k subscribers. I don't know if you are feeling what I'm feeling, but yeah, I know it's too small, but let's stick to this plan for now because we are going to spend as we earn. Okay, yeah. So with that being said, don't mind the microphone I'm using. I don't know who does this, but I feel like it's going to reduce the sound of the generator downstairs. So hopefully sorry for that shout, but yeah, hopefully it's going to do what I wanted to do. But let's get right to today's video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vera and I'm back with another video for this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the mistakes I've made so far in making decisions of the cream and soap I use on my skin. So far it has been so hazardous, not really hazardous, it's a very strong word right there. so far it has not been the best decision for myself and for my skin, and I'm going to share it with you all so that you all will take cognizance of what you put on your skin. And yeah, so if that's what interests you and if that's what you want to hear, please keep watching this video. And before then, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and after watching, make sure you put down a comment on the comment section so you stand a chance for a shout out. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So guys, growing up I had a lot of cream I had used different creams, I used different soap, mostly bar soap. Like, is it bar soap? Don't mistake me for kitchen soap. This one for washing clothes. No, I don't know. What should I even call it? Should I call it bar soap? And you understand, like all these them Ever, Ivory, Imperial Leather, them. Those were the kind of soaps I were using. Why am I speaking wrong English? But those were the kind of soap I was using when I was growing up. Then when I entered secondary school, I started using the baby soap and baby cream. I was using PS cream and I was using Dito soap, cool or whatever, or normal. But yeah, so those time it wasn't really affecting my skin, and I wasn't even checking out my skin whether I'm having any blemishes or I'm having any issue. Maybe this part is fair, this part is dark, and all those kind of things. So when I entered university, I wasn't still checking whether the soaps and the cream I was using was affecting me. I was only concerned about the scent I was getting, the fragrance I was getting from those cream and soap. The first cream I used was Familiar. That cream never had any issue, but I think with time I had to drop it because it started becoming unnecessarily expensive. I had to drop it, guys. I can't be buying like normal cream, ordinary cream for like how much was it? It was increased, I don't know, I can't remember. So I dropped that one, and the time I was using this Familiar, I was using any soap at hand. So later I got Baby and Me. I was also buying that one because of the baby scent and all those things I was getting from it. Really me, I wasn't checking whether it was any affecting my skin. We were still moving on. We changed to the next one. I started using extract in my second year when I was feeling like, guy, I need to lighten my skin and all this stuff. So I got extract soap and extract cream, and I was using the both of them. Okay, it happened that it lightened small, but guys, that cream became expensive. One tiny, you all know now, one tiny container like that, they'll tell me 1,500, 2,000, and I'll still buy the soap. And then another issue with the soap was they're having mix-up. They started saying it has original, it does not have original, and I wasn't going to buy that, so I stopped entirely. even with the expensive cream sef, I stopped buying extra. I switched again, and I switched to Ima Attraction. So one day I went to the market, I wanted to get a cream. I was like, okay fine, see this is my skin, and I want a cream that will just keep my tone, lighten my tone, or just, I don't even know what I wanted, but I just wanted, give me a lotion cream that I can just be applying and all those stuff. So the guy suggested Ima Attraction. I took it, and when I came back, my friend was like, her sister has used it and the cream is good. I said fine. Oh, I started using this cream. It was good, quite alright, and I used it for like months, maybe 2 months, 3 months. It was actually good. And at the time I was using Eva soap and Ivory. I was interchanging. I don't know, they looked alike, so each time I go to the market, give me Ivory, give me Eva, anyone. So I was just using them like that. When I went to my place, I couldn't find the cream in the market in my area, so I asked my friend to help me get it from her place. I asked her to get 2, so she got 2 actually. And when we came back to school, I started using the cream. Like the first one I used, it was normal. The second one, when I opened it, I saw something in the mouth. I was like, this should be abnormal, like what's going on? I said okay fine, maybe it's nothing, and I started using this cream. Guy, hey, God, I didn't even use it up to like, was it 1 week? I didn't use it up to 1 week. I started seeing stretch mark on my body. I felt like, I was like, guy, this should not be this cream that is causing this stretch mark. Like, what's going on? My hand, I was seeing one funny thing, and my hand was now bleaching, like, and I had knuckles. You can see now. My skin was now very fair, and the way the cream reacted to my body was so bad. I had to stop using it and throw it away. And then at the time I was using Ashanti soap. I didn't even know what I was doing. I was just I was just using anything I see. So I stopped using the cream when I noticed it, and so I got Vaseline, because I had people say like anything. In fact, I was just tired. That was like I got the Vaseline. I started using Vaseline, all this big Vaseline. I started using it for my skin and all this thing. It's corrected though. My skin corrected though. Even my knuckles corrected. My skin was now fair and fine. You know me, I'm too conscious of this knuckle stuff, though it's running in my family. I don't know if it's in the thing, but yeah, my skin corrected though, until when I started using, what's it called, and I came back for holiday. I said I carried her own and came that I should buy K Brother. In fact, she even bought it for us. She said if we should be using K Brothers, that's the best skin to lighten you, to do this, to do that one. Thank God they've off the generator. So I was like, okay fine, let me buy it, whatever. And I got the K Brother cream soap, sorry, and I bought the K Brother soap. I just used it like for like 1 month. Almost see white. Oh, me, I became white, and my stretch mark even became worse. I was like, guy, what am I doing in my life? I stopped using the K Brothers soap, bathing soap, whatever they are calling it. So I stopped using it, and then I started using Age Balance, this cream, and I started using this cream. And when I now relocated, and I had to, you know, I'm checking out on what to do. Age Balance now started correcting my stretch marks, and even the Vaseline I was applying as well. But at the time, I applied snake oil, like all these what's it called? Is it Oriflame? I don't know the people that have it, but I'll check it and I'll put it in the screen here. I can't remember the people that have that snake oil. So I started applying snake oil. It's corrected it to some point. This Age Balance also corrected the stretch mark to some extent. And then when I came, somebody now recommended scrub. I should scrub my skin because I was complaining so much about my knuckles and all this stuff. Like, it's also like this, like guys, my knuckles are just improved, you know, like it's also like this before. So I had to buy the scrub. I went to the supermarket, I bought this Paris collection. It says exfoliating body scrub. So I got this coffee scrub. I started using it to scrub every 2 days, and I started seeing a difference, and I started taking my bath with this soap, Cottage Fresh Ghana. I don't know if you all know, you all should know it. I started using this soap. So, and yeah, I'm not the kind of person that does all these skincare routine stuff. I just like to maintain my body with the listing. I don't like extravagant. In fact, the truth is that I don't even have money to spend on all these stuff. So I just had to get these ones because my body tone was going out of hand, so I needed to get it. So here's the thing, guys. If you think that you're not comfortable with the soap, the cream, or whatever you're using at the moment, or maybe it's giving stretch marks, or maybe it's giving you dark knuckles, or maybe it's giving you different tone in your body, maybe white and black, you understand what I'm saying, just switch to Vaseline for the meantime. Switch to Vaseline, give yourself like time, especially for those who do not have money. Give yourself time. Apply Vaseline for like 1 year, don't add anything, use like a neutral soap, or maybe you can try this cottage, because I don't feel like this cottage will bleach you, because it has been doing so good so far. And buy this soap, then use Vaseline. That's what I feel, because it actually works for me. Because I will not advise you to buy this age balance. I don't know how it will react to your old skin, do you understand? But Vaseline will definitely do a nice work. When I mean Vaseline, I mean this blue steel they used to open like this. So buy it and it's correct. Don't go about looking for stretch mark oil, stretch mark this, stretch mark. I think those things kills the skin. Like, as you're applying the chemicals on our body, it's getting worse and worse. But at the end of the day, I know we want our body to be like shiny, fresh, and all those things, but it takes time. So basically, what worked for me is this cream and this Vaseline I used earlier, and also these products now I'm using now. They're actually working. But I shall know that at the end of the day, things will get better. But they have not really cleared. I still have my knuckles, as you are seeing. I still have, but they were not like this, as I said earlier. And I still have like a light of stretch mark. I'd have loved to show you, but I don't know. I'm wearing cardigan. So yeah, that's just it. Love your skin the way it is. Don't allow anybody to show you that you have stretch mark or feel some type of way about it. So that's just it, guys. I hope you understood something from this video, because guys, but if you have any better option, or if you have any better thing you think has worked for you, just comment down in the comment section so that people can get ideas of how to treat their own. Because I know people always want, I want it to end now. If it does not end now, I'm not doing it. I'm not listening to what you're saying. But yeah, if you have any other better option, please comment down in the comment section below, and I will appreciate it so much. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all guys learned something from this video, and I hope you enjoyed my little story. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification, and yeah, bye bye. Bye guys.